Hello, and today we are looking at the Gemini Jet's General Aviation Cirrus SR22T in 1/72 scale. And this is a nice detailed die-cast metal model. And as you can see, it comes packaged in this nice little presentation box here. On the front, we have an image of the plane, identical to the one found inside. Let's have a quick look at it now. It's looking really, really nice. Moving to the back of the box, you can see we have another image of the plane, this time from the other side, as well as some information about what a Gemini jet actually is here. Moving back to the front, as you can see, it says look inside. So you can pop open the lid, and there you have it. The plane in all of its nice detail, sat in its box like so. So you can easily have it on display like this if you so chose, so you don't have to risk getting it damaged if you didn't want to. And then on the lid here, as you can see, we have some information about the plane. At the top there, we have a message from the owner of the plane with a little bit of information about this particular aircraft. And in the second section here, we have a little bit about the plane itself with some specification information, such as length, height and wingspan in feet and inches of a real Cirrus SR22T. And then some other info such as range, cruising speed, empty weight, and things of that nature that you may like to know as well. But now let's open up the box and have a closer look at the actual model itself. It pops out really easily, like so. Let's put our box to the back there. So it comes packaged with these two little pieces of plastic. You just remove the top and remove this little plastic cover as well. And there you have it, the Cirrus SR22T in lovely 1/72 scale. Now this is a die-cast metal model, but some smaller parts may be more delicate, such as things like these antennas and these footsteps here may be more delicate, so always handle with care. Now let's look at all the lovely detail on this model. Starting with the wings, you can see the flaps, the ailerons. We've got these really nice little tips on the wings. Of course, I've already pointed out we've got the nice footsteps so you can climb on and into the plane. Got this nice little antenna at the top. Got a nice shaped front, as you can see, intakes here. Got a nice propeller as well, and it does actually move. You can see the cockpit as well. You can see inside it, as the windows are see-through, and you can see all the seats nicely inside. Moving on to the tail of the plane, you can see the elevators and rudders as well on the horizontal and vertical stabilizers. Moving to the underside of the plane, as you can see we've got nice landing gear as well. So a little antenna here. See the landing gear? The wheels actually move as well. Got a little Gemini Jets logo and a space for its display stand to sit, which is over here in the kit box, which we will look at in a little bit. Moving back to the front, let's look at the plane from the other angle so we can see the detail all across this lovely model. It's looking really, really nice. It's got a really nice livery on it, and this livery is actually the Volt 8K color scheme, which is inspired by the runway itself. See, it's got a really nice black, grey, and like a greenish yellow color to it. But overall, it's just a really, really nice. You can see nice, big, bright green and yellow, greeny yellow wings, and a nice kind of like grey, black body of it as well, with a really nice little design on the tail. Of course, you can see big here, we've got the registration of N225HL. And that registration is kind of important to the owner of this plane, as it says on the lid of the box itself, where it gives you a little bit of info about how that registration came to be. Now, this particular Cirrus is actually the 8,000th Cirrus ever built. This was number 8,000, built back in 2020. So it's a really nice, significant plane, number 8,000, with this special color scheme to mark that plane. Now, let's actually go into a little bit about the Cirrus 22 itself. It began production back in 2001 and is still produced today. It was developed from the Cirrus 20 as a more powerful version of that aircraft. Now, the Cirrus 22 has been the best-selling general aviation plane every year since 2003 and is the most produced general aviation plane of the 21st century, with over 8,000 being beat, this big number 8,000, and is the single most produced aircraft made from composite material. It was the first general aviation light aircraft to have a full glass cockpit, and it is one of the most popular planes for pilot training. And this one is a 22T, which stands for turbocharged. Now the Cirrus SR22 has a whole plane emergency recovery parachute system, which is one of its big selling points in safety, which is the Cirrus Airframe Parachute System, or CAPS. And in the event of an emergency, a parachute is deployed and allows the plane to float back down to the ground relatively gently, so the plane can be recovered. Now this has contributed to its market success and has given it the nickname the plane with a parachute. Now going on to the actual size of the model itself, it has a wingspan of about 16.2 centimeters and is about 11 centimeters long. It's quite a nice sized model. Like I said, it does come with a display stand, which we will look at now. It comes in 3 parts here. Let's take these parts out. Move this box out of the way. As you see, we've got 1, 2, 3. Just put the legs in. Make sure everything's all properly lined up. And then you just want to push it into the bottom of the stand, the plane, and it should stand as well, stand up quite nicely, as long as you have nice flat ground. Make sure it is properly lined up. Again, you want it to be nice and flat ground so you can actually get the balance, so the weight doesn't shift. I can find, I seem to be we're on a little bit of a slope here. As you can see, if the ground is flat, the plane does stand on its stand quite nicely. And then there's a nice little display piece, like so, which overall it's really, really nice. Let's bring it close up again, so we can have a nice one last look at this lovely model. So overall, it's a lovely piece, perfect for anyone who is a fan of the Cirrus SR22T, maybe someone who has flown one, maybe you're a fan of this really nice Volt 8K colour scheme, or maybe you know someone who has actually practiced flying in this plane itself, maybe someone who has flown in it. So overall, it's a really, really nice model, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.